Are you feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Do you find yourself constantly stressed about money? Or are you living paycheck to paycheck? Look, we've all been there. But the truth is, ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems down the road. It's crucial to recognize the signs that indicate it's time for a financial reset. By identifying these signs early on, you can take proactive steps to regain control of your money and build a more secure future. All right, let's face it, constantly stressing about money is the most obvious sign. If you're lying awake at night worrying about bills, or if the thought of checking your bank account sends shivers down your spine, that's your body telling you something's off. It's like a smoke alarm going off in your financial life. You don't just ignore it, right? You wouldn't just sit there with a fire extinguisher hoping for the best. You gotta take action. This constant stress isn't just bad for your wallet. It's terrible for your health, your relationships, everything. It's like a weight dragging you down, preventing you from enjoying life to the fullest. Remember, your mental well-being is just as important as your financial well-being. Take it from me, ignoring this stress won't make it disappear. It's a clear sign that you need to take a step back, reassess your financial situation, and start making positive changes. Let's talk about another major red flag: living paycheck to paycheck. Now I get it. Unexpected expenses happen, and it's easy to fall into this trap, especially with how unpredictable things are these days. But let me tell you, living like this offers zero wiggle room. It's like walking on a tightrope without a safety net. One unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or heck, even a sale at your favorite store, and boom, you're thrown off balance. And trust me, I've been there. It's not a fun situation to be in. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about building a solid foundation. Start by creating a realistic budget, track your spending, and look for areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can make a huge difference over time. Remember, you deserve to have financial security and peace of mind. Now, let's talk about debt, the dreaded D word. Look, I'm not here to demonize debt entirely. Sometimes it's necessary, like for a mortgage or a student loan. But if you find yourself drowning in credit card debt, personal loans, or constantly relying on those buy now, pay later schemes, that's a major warning sign. It's like digging yourself into a hole that gets deeper and deeper with every swipe. Those high interest rates, they're silent killers, slowly chipping away at your financial stability. Take it from me, getting into debt is easy, but getting out of it, that takes dedication and a solid plan. Start by creating a debt repayment strategy. Consider debt consolidation options, and most importantly, stop accumulating new debt. All right, let's talk about savings, the cornerstone of any solid financial plan. If you're consistently struggling to save, or if your emergency fund is non-existent, that's a clear sign you need a financial reset. Imagine this: your car breaks down, your roof starts leaking, or you suddenly lose your job. Without savings, these situations can quickly spiral into a financial crisis. Having a healthy savings account acts as a buffer, protecting you from life's unexpected curveballs. It's not about being a millionaire overnight, it's about building a safety net for yourself. Start small. Even setting aside $50 a week adds up over time. Consider automating your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Finally, let's address those pesky overdraft fees and bank charges. Now, everyone makes mistakes and a rare overdraft happens. But if you're constantly getting hit with these fees, it's a sign that you're not managing your money effectively. It's like throwing money away, literally. These fees might seem small individually, but they add up over time, draining your hard-earned cash. The good news is, this is an easy fix. Start by setting up account alerts, so you know your balance in real time. Consider using budgeting apps that track your spending and help you avoid overdrafts. Remember, knowledge is power. By taking control of your finances and understanding where your money is going, you can avoid these unnecessary expenses. Look, I get it. Talking about finances can be intimidating, even uncomfortable. But trust me, acknowledging these signs and taking action is crucial for your financial well-being. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are tons of resources available to help you get back on track. Check out websites like NerdWallet or Mint, or download budgeting apps like YNAB or EveryDollar. These tools can provide valuable insights, help you create a budget, and track your progress. The most important thing is to start now. Don't wait until you're in a financial crisis. Take control of your money today and build a brighter financial future.